Venom, a dangerous toxin produced by predatory animals to subdue their prey. All our lives, we are told to fear these animals and the venom they possess. But what if their toxins can do some good? Welcome to Valhalla Reptile Ranch. Today, we're going to be talking about venom and its use in cancer research. In the late 1990s, a team of researchers at the University of Southern California were working with the venom from the southern copperhead snake. Scientific name Achistrodon contortix is a species of pit viper. Pit viper meaning it is a viper, of course. Vipers are a venomous type of snake, but pit vipers are a subspecies of viper that have a pit on the front of their face that is a heat sensing organ that helps them detect prey better. It's more of a summer job to explain reptiles, but I could do it too, I guess. The team isolated a homodimeric peptide from the venom called contortostertin and found this peptide to have anti-angiogenic properties in early stage breast cancer tumors. Now, before we continue on this, let's take a minute to talk about these big words I just threw out. First, what is a peptide? A peptide is a molecule made up of amino acids. In nature, atoms of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen bond together to form different kinds of molecules that are essential for life on Earth. Amino acids are just one of these compounds. Other essential molecules include lipids, which make up fats, sugars, which make up carbohydrates, as well as play a functional part in nucleic acids, which makes up DNA. Amino acids link together in chains of 2 to 50 molecules and form peptides. Anything larger than 50 molecules is considered a protein, which has a more complex shape and a more intricate task. Now, what does homodimeric mean? Now, homodimeric means that the amino acids that make up this peptide are two or more, all are all of the same amino acid. Homo meaning same. It consists of one type of amino acid. It's homodimeric. Anti-angiogenic means, well, first let's talk about agnogenesis. Agnogenesis means the formation of new blood vessels that supply blood and nutrients to a new area, which takes place in all types of cancer when the tumor convinces the body to start creating new blood vessels to supply the area, the tumor, with nutrients. That's agnogenesis. Something with anti-agniogenic properties will prevent that process from happening. It stops the body from creating those new blood vessels. This study was conducted on lab rats that were implanted with tumor cells from the cell line MDA MB435. This cell line was thought to have originated from a cancer tumor, although it had been observed that these tumor cells had melanoma-like properties. And a study in 2007 went into further analysis of these cells from the MDA MB435 cell line and found they were more similarly related to melanoma cancer. Through genetic analysis, they found that it was closely related to the M14 melanoma cell line, which is derived from a skin cancer tumor. While this 2007 study takes no significance away from the original 1999 study, it does eventually take away massive amounts of funding, because the 1999 study was originally done as part of the California Breast Cancer Research funded publication. This 1999 study and the following 2007 study aren't the only ones where snake venom is the subject of the study or used to help people or even fight cancer. Going back as far as the mid 20th century, people have been safely using snake venom to fight diseases. As far back as 1936, it was used by medical professionals to help with patients and their ailments. And as time went on, they started to extract desired portions of the venom, specific peptides or enzymes from the venom to complete certain tasks and help people in specific ways. And if you have something that I didn't say, you can put it in the comments. Like the video and subscribe. Share the video. Go check out our Patreon. Support us on our Patreon. Follow. Instagram.
Wind and the waves will carry me. Wind and the waves will